Meaning of disillusion.
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 Disillusion. The term disillusion refers to the state of being disappointed or discouraged after discovering that something or someone is not as good, valuable, or trustworthy as previously thought. It occurs when one's beliefs or illusions about a person, situation, or thing are shattered by the reality of their flaws or inadequacies. The result of disillusionment can range from mild disappointment to extreme disillusionment, causing people to lose faith in their ideals, belief systems, or relationships. It often leads to a sense of betrayal and estrangement from what once held meaning and purpose in one's life.